Snapchat remembers all your previous searches to make using the app easier, but sometimes we want those details to disappear, whether for privacy reasons or simply for better organization. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily clear your search history on Snapchat, refreshing your account. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new tutorials I post. So, first find the Snapchat app on your home screen and open it. Once you're in, the next step is to tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. When you're on your profile page, the next step is to tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, which will take you to the settings page. Once you're in the settings, you'll see plenty of options. So, scroll down to the privacy control section. There, find the clear data option and tap on it. This will take you to a page with various options for clearing data, such as cache, searches, conversations, stickers, autofill, and other temporary data the app stores while you use it. To clear your search history, simply select Clear Search History and then, in the pop-up window that appears, tap on the Clear button. After doing this, Snapchat will immediately delete all previous searches and your search list will be completely empty. And that's it for this short video, friends. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. If you have any questions or if something is unclear, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. See you soon, and thanks so much for watching.